Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time. In our day-to-day life, problems which involves two or more variables often arise, and it helps us to write equations in those variables, whether they are two or more variables, right? Solving that particular set of equations help us to find what those variables represent. As you can see in the statement, in January 1999, I bought 3 exercise books and 2 pencils for 17 naira, while in December that same year, I bought 2 exercise books and 3 pencils for 13 naira. We are to find the cost of an exercise book and a pencil during that period. Now, the first thing we need to do is to allow two alphabets represent our variables. So for this question that involves exercise book and pencils, I am going to use E to represent exercise books and P to represent pencils. Now, the question says 3 exercise books and 2 pencils. So I'm going to say 3E plus then 2 pencils cost what? 17 naira. I'm going to put 17 here. This is my equation 1. Now, while in December that same year, 2 exercise books plus 3 pencils cost 13 naira. So I'm going to put 13. Now I'm not putting the naira there because of easy manipulation. Now, what do we need to do? We need to solve it what? Simultaneously. And now we have different methods of solving simultaneous equation. We have the elimination method, we have the substitution method, we have the graphical method, and we have the using of what? Matrix method, right? Or the determinant method to solve what? Questions like this. But I'm going to introduce you to a very unique method in solving questions like this. So here is what I want to do. Now, to find the cost of the exercise book E, let's look for the cost of exercise book E. I'm going to put E equals to, now watch what I'm going to do. Now, in the denominator, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this 3, multiply this 3. 3 times 3 gives us what? 9. Minus. Then I'm going to take this 2, multiply this 2. I'm going to get what? 4. Then, now because I want to look for the cost of this exercise book, now I'm going to use this 17 to replace my 3 here, such that I'm going to now say 3 times that 17. 3 times 17 gives us what? 51. Then I'm going to say minus. Then remember, I'm looking for the cost of exercise book. So I'm going to take this 13 in this equation to replace the 2 here, such that I can now say my 13 now times 2 gives us what? 26. Now, if you subtract 26 from 51, you are going to get 25. Now, subtract 4 from 9, you are going to get 5. And remember, we are looking for cost. 5 can go in 25 5 times. Therefore, the cost of one exercise book is 5 naira during that period. Then for the pencils P, I'm going to do the same thing. Now, there's no doubt that the denominator is the same because 3 times 3 will give us 9. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then you put a minus. Then for the pencils now, I'm going to replace this with this and this with this 3. The 17 replaces the 2. The 13 replaces the 3. So now, let's go. Now, if I do 13 times 3, I will get 39. Minus. Then this 2 times 17 gives us 34. Then if you subtract 34 from 39, you will get 5. Then 4 from 9 gives us what? 5, and 5 can go in 5 one time, so this is 1 naira. You can see how easy it is to apply this particular method. Now let us check for correctness of our result. We said the cost of the exercise book is 5 naira. Now, so 3 exercise books therefore will be 3 times 5, which is 15. Then 2 pencils. We said each pencil is what? 1 naira. So 2 times 1 is 2. So if you add the 2, 15 naira plus 2 naira gives you 17 naira. Yes, that is what is in the question. Then let's test it on the other one, on the other statement. Then I bought 2 exercise books, so 2 times 5 is 10. Then, and 3 pencils. Each pencil is 1 naira. 1 times 3 is 3. So 10 plus 3 gives us what? 13, as stated in the question. So once you confirm these 2 results, it means that our result is correct. So come back in statement form to now say, therefore, the cost 1 naira. That is the solution to this question. So kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Click on the notification icon so that you can get to see more videos as we drop them on this channel. Bye for now.